timeless classic returns with a modern twist. The 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia revives the legendary nameplate, blending retro charm with cutting-edge innovation. Designed to capture the elegance of the past while embracing the future, this reinvented icon delivers a driving experience that's both nostalgic and exhilarating. With smooth curves, a low-slung stance, and a refined electric powertrain, the new Karmann Ghia is ready to turn heads once again. Under the hood, or rather beneath the floor, lies Volkswagen's advanced electric powertrain, offering instant torque and a whisper-quiet ride. Equipped with a dual-motor Aerodynamic system, the Karmann Ghia effortlessly delivers 295 horsepower, propelling it from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 5.2 seconds. The 82 kilowatt-hour battery provides a generous 310-mile range, ensuring that this beauty isn't just about style, it's built for real-world driving. With fast charging capabilities, you can reach 80% battery in just 30 minutes, making it as convenient as it is thrilling. Whether cruising along the coast or darting through city streets, this modernized classic offers a perfect blend of performance and efficiency. The exterior design is where heritage meets modernity. The sleek flowing lines remain true to the original Karmann Ghia, but with refined aerodynamics and LED lighting that add a futuristic touch. The iconic round headlights are now LED powered, while the classic chrome bumpers have been subtly modernized for a more seamless look. Riding on 19-inch turbine-style alloy wheels, the 2025 model maintains its vintage-inspired allure while embracing contemporary design elements. The fastback silhouette, sculpted fenders, and panoramic glass roof make it a true masterpiece on wheels. Step inside, and you're greeted by a driver-focused, minimalist cabin that exudes sophistication. The leather-wrapped, retro-inspired steering wheel, combined with a 12.9-inch curved digital display, brings a perfect balance of nostalgia and innovation. A wood-grain dashboard panel pays homage to the past, while ambient lighting adds a touch of modern luxury. The premium vegan leather seats, available in rich tan and black, offer both comfort and a nod to the classic models. A 14-speaker Harman Kardon audio system, wireless charging, and a heads-up display ensure that technology enhances every ride without overwhelming its vintage spirit. The 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia is a love letter to enthusiasts who cherish classic design yet crave modern performance. With zero emissions, breathtaking aesthetics, and a soulful connection to the past, this car is more than just a revival. It's a revolution. Get ready to experience the best of both worlds, where timeless beauty meets the future of driving.